I was figuring since Elon's doing it today, we could do it too, right? So Elon's supposed to be launching his SpaceX rocket, a manned rocket that's gonna go to the space station. You guys notice I'm outside, right? Because we're not just gonna launch it, we're gonna launch it. That's what's up. That's all you guys need, all right? So let's get into our little nap. So, the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take your bottle and take some time and decorate it, because you're launching this, right? We're gonna build our launch pad, all right? So, what you're gonna do is, it's cool that it has these lines on here. So, you're just gonna take some duct tape and you're gonna tape it on there so that it right, and here's the technique. Oh, that's cool. So see how it's just standing there? How cool is that? All right, so this is your launch pad, guys. Just pour some vinegar in here. The exact right measurement, you know, because it's about. What you guys need is you need a cork that fits. So find a cork. If your cork doesn't fit, trim it down. Or if it's too small, put some tape or something around it so that it fits in really good. Put on my safety glasses. Not there yet, but you want to make sure that it's gonna fit. Is it gonna fit? Yeah. Ready? So you take your cork and we're gonna walk over here. So I'm gonna do this right now. Are you guys ready? All right, we're gonna take it over here and then you put this in really fast. You want to turn it upside down and move out of the way. All right, let's see, guys. Let's see what happens. Ah! Oh my God. Give me my third shower today. Holy majoli. All right, you guys want to do it again? All right, let's do it again. Here, I have another one. Hold on. You guys totally. 100% it launched! Huh? Elon, your turn. Your turn, Elon. Your turn. Mine launched. Bam. All right, so we're gonna do that again. You guys saw the little launch pad? You're gonna make it, decorate it. I'm already full of vinegar, so it doesn't really matter. It's my third shower today because I keep getting vinegar all over me because I don't move far enough away. I gotta go tell my neighbors sorry. I think it went in their pool. But it went really high! How cool is that? That's what's up! It really did. We gotta go. Yeah, we'll go. Where's the other one? Where'd the other one go? Do you see it? Oh man. Sorry! That was. Sorry. Alright. We gotta go get it. We gotta go get it. Alright, guys. So. That's 2 for me, 0 for Elon. Let's go, Elon. Gauntlets thrown. 2 successful. That's what's going on. You guys make your own rocket today. Hey, stay curious and keep on sciencing.